Ahoy, Tiki lovers. Welcome aboard Tiki Thursdays, where we shake, stir, and sip our way through tropical treasures every week. I'm your host, Captain Arresto, and today we're diving into the fiery depths of a true Tiki classic, the Hell in the Pacific. This cocktail comes to us straight from the pages of Jeff Berry's legendary grog log. It's a bold and boozy twist on a 1930s favorite, the Myrtle Bank Punch, a drink that once ruled the shores of the Myrtle Bank Hotel in Kingston, Jamaica. With tangy lime, sweet grenadine, the rich cherry notes of maraschino liqueur, and the fiery punch of 151 Demerara rum, this drink is a perfect balance of bold flavors and tropical vibes. And trust me, it's got a kick that'll make you feel like you're on a wild voyage across the Pacific. So grab your shakers and some ice, because it's time to bring a little history and a lot of flavor into your glass. Let's set sail with the Hell in the Pacific. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another Tiki Thursdays adventure. Now, let's get mixing.
On Tiki Thursday we gather round.